Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to subtract in Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is to create a new file or a Google Sheets file. Now once you have created your own Google Sheets file, you can now start adding some numbers or whatever values you want to add. Let's say for example, on row and line A1, we can type here 5, or let's say 50. Then for A2, we can type here 51 or whatever value you want. Let's say 53. Now, in order to subtract that, we need to choose a different cell. Let's say, for example, in here, in D7, we need to type here equals, then we need to type which type or which value we want to subtract. Let's say, for example, A1 minus A2. Now, it's that simple. After you type this, you can just press enter, and then the calculated value will now appear. Now, you can also do this. You can just go directly here and then do some minus and start adding some values like, if, for example, like right here, equals, then type whatever value it is, like A3, or let's say we can put D7, D7 minus 4, or A4. Then it will take that value from here and then the value from the A4, and then it will minus here. As you can see, it is now negative 26, which is correct because this right here is 23, and since we've added minus, it'll become a negative. And that's how you can basically calculate it. You can also do similar right here. You can also do this, but it depends on whatever formula you use. With Google Sheets, you can do a lot of formulas, and this is just a simple way on how to subtract in Google Sheets. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification.